True sophistication is quiet. We optimize at the edge, reducing noise to zero. This is the art of the quiet architect.
Forget the loud AI hype. We build like quiet architects. Edgeai, restorative systems, maximum impact, zero noise. That is the new flex.
Pure data RAMs. Less, but better. On edgeai. They call it restorative engineering. Pure intellect, zero waste.
Enterprise resource planning software paints a clean picture of production. Dashboards glow green. Yield metrics hit targets. Executives see an automated quality system running at 99% uptime. The physical factory floor operates differently. Look at the volume of human labor required to support an automated line. Shift logs reveal the invisible work. Floor operators spend up to 6 hours every night manually clearing false alarms generated by the equipment. The primary bottleneck is the legacy Automated Optical Inspection machine. Management calls this automated quality assurance. The night shift operator calls it the blinking box that requires a permanent human babysitter. This is a corporate hallucination. The plant manager quietly bleeds capital, paying humans to verify the failures of broken automation. This diagram compares reported machine uptime against true automated yield. When we subtract the manual human override hours, the efficiency drops. This invisible reinspection cycle drains billions of dollars from the global manufacturing economy. The 2026 manufacturing survival metric is a 10x efficiency gain. Plant owners face this target just to remain competitive. This target requires a move away from buying more hardware. The strategy relies on identifying and fixing the specific structural design flaws in the systems currently running on your floor. Legacy inspection systems rely on rigid, hand-tuned pixel rules. They attempt to match the live camera feed against a perfect golden template. Physical reality resists golden templates. This image shows a real printed circuit board. Solder volume varies. Component placement shifts by micrometers. A minor shadow cast by a black component triggers a failure flag. The machine's rigid rules misinterpret a harmless shadow as a structural defect. The machine halts the line. It throws a good board into the scrap bin. A human operator must manually override the error and restart the flow. Legacy inspection machines do not see the physical product. They only measure deviations from an impossible digital template. We bypass this constraint by moving the compute power to the data source. We deploy localized edge inference directly at the inspection station. Operators mount GPU modules directly onto the existing production line cameras. This hardware intercepts the live camera feed. A localized deep learning model processes the raw visual data instantly. It replaces brittle pixel rules with an understanding of physical geometry. The AI model understands physical depth. In this chip, the system correctly classifies the intricate pins and ignores harmless reflections. Applying DITA-ROM's design thinking strips away the blinking false alarms. It restores factual accuracy to the inspection process. This shift changes the financial model. Replacing manual reinspection with Edge AI yields a capital payback in 6 to 9 months. We use a reversible, low-risk validation test called the 48-hour ground truth vision audit. This schematic outlines the setup. You connect a localized GPU module to the camera observing the rejection bin. The protocol uses 500 historical images. The model must hit a 94% accuracy rate on known physical defects within 48 hours. This method forces an objective validation signal. It allows you to test the model without risking the uptime of the live production line. The human operator transitions to a new role. They move from mindless verification to acting as a high-value system supervisor training the edge cases. Review your shift logs tonight. The reality of your operation is found in manual override counts. This is where your capital hides. Walk onto any high-volume electronics manufacturing floor, and you will see a surface mount production line operating at peak capacity. Look at the setup. This fast mechanical pan tracks a dark green printed circuit board locked in a metallic fixture. The physical reality of this line is built for absolute speed, processing hundreds of parts per minute without delays. If you look at the executive software dashboards, the operation appears flawless. The metrics glow green, claiming 99% machine uptime and perfect yield. But if you pull the raw shift logs from the frontline operators on the floor, the data tells a completely different story. Those logs reveal an invisible labor drain. Night shift workers spend hours of their shift manually clearing hundreds of machine-generated false alarms to keep the line moving. Automated quality control remains a myth. It masks a severe operational and capital bottleneck. The primary choke point causing this gridlock is a single piece of legacy hardware, the Automated Optical Inspection, or AOI machine. The fundamental function of the AOI is simple. It sits on the line and scans the circuit boards, halting the entire production process the moment it flags a structural defect. The vast majority of these alerts are false flags. Good parts are rejected, forcing a human operator to step in and override the system. The operator acts as a manual spell check for a broken machine. Restoring true factory speed requires an architecture that can parse real-world physical variance, moving beyond the limitations of rigid hardware rules. This transition shifts human workers toward high-value model supervision, removing them from the cycle of mindless verification. Constant manual intervention is the primary expense of legacy AOI. The million-dollar hardware is a secondary cost compared to the labor required to manage its failures. To understand why these systems fail, we have to look at their core architecture. Legacy systems rely on what engineers call the golden template matching rule. A live camera feed aligns over a perfect master image, but physical reality resists. Notice acceptable discrepancies in solder volume. It's sound, but mismatched. Then environmental variance. Degraded overhead lighting casts new shadows. Rigid pixel comparison detects this harmless shadow, falsely flagging a critical defect. The immediate physical consequence of this software failure happens right on the factory floor. Watch this video. This is the abrupt mechanical halt of the automated production line as the legacy system throws a rigid error. Throughput drops immediately. Scrap bins overflow with perfectly functional components waiting for manual reinspection. Golden template architecture lacks physical context. It cannot survive real-world operational variables. The standard IT response to complex data problems is to send visual data up to the cloud for processing. In a factory setting, this fails immediately. This graph tracks a data packet's journey, leaving the factory node, traveling to a cloud server, and returning. Industrial environments are saturated with interference, dropping packets. An assembly line requires a decision in 0.3 seconds. The cloud packet arrives far too late. The bottleneck is governed by physics. The data simply cannot travel fast enough over a network to match the speed of physical production. Remote cloud infrastructure cannot solve real-time, time-critical physical control issues. The alternative architecture is localized compute, commonly known as edgeai. The physical hardware requirement is straightforward. You mount an embedded Jetson-class GPU directly at the inspection station. This local unit intercepts the raw camera feed at the source. The data never touches an external network. Instead of checking a master image, the system runs the feed through a localized deep learning model trained strictly on actual, verified defect geometry. This split screen compares logic flows. Left, rigid pixel matching failure. Right, deep learning bounding boxes actively parse visual data. The model recognizes the structural geometry of a true cold solder joint, precisely outlining a microcrack. Understanding geometry, it ignores harmless lighting shifts. The line stays green. By running the model directly on the physical hardware, this localized architecture achieves sub-10 millisecond latency. You can see the result here. The heavy pneumatic gripper moves seamlessly at high speed, sorting materials with zero data lag hesitation. The production benchmarks are clear. edgeai delivers a 99.7% defect detection rate at cycle times under 0.3 seconds. Moving raw compute power directly to the physical data source aligns digital capability with industrial reality. This technology forces a critical shift for the frontline human operator managing the upgraded line. This macro shot captures the new interface. The operator is stationed at the physical monitor, watching the raw camera feed of the microchips. The operator's role transitions into high-value model supervision. This creates a human-in-the-loop architecture. The operator reviews only the rare physical edge cases and labels the new variations. This flowchart tracks the data. The operator's verified ground truth decisions provide direct feedback to the local GPU architecture. The operational reality is that the system's accuracy compounds over time, and it does so without halting the production line. If you run a high-mix assembly line, here is a 48-hour protocol. Audit your manual inspection hours. Calculate the true ratio of machine failures to human overrides. The capital leak is hiding in your shift logs. Efficient technological deployment returns operational control to the frontline workers who understand the physics of the line.